Hey, beautiful, beautiful one bedroom at the Rone Residences in Houston, Texas. The Rone Residences in Houston, Texas. Just look at these details. This is just a very brief 1 minute walkthrough we're just doing for you. Just gorgeous. Get to see this lovely kitchen. This is really, really delightful. I love just the light colors here, the white. We walked in, that was the door. This is really pretty half bath that's there. And we'll just kind of walk through again so you can see it. Just a nice mudroom area. That's really pretty. And then, my goodness, this is just a gorgeous space, isn't it? It's just a very pretty. Love the living room, and then this kitchen area extends into the breakfast kind of dining room area. Beautiful views awaiting you also, with an incredibly big balcony. And then here's the bedroom and bath. So the bedroom is really pretty too. Lovely, lovely bedroom. Probably goes, I don't know, 10 or 11 feet is my guess. That's a king bed. There's plenty of space. And then this beautiful bathroom. The bathroom is just gorgeous. So you've got a dual sink, beautiful actual desk in the bathroom. Rarely ever see that. Really nice closet space, and then you've got a tub and a shower. So love this space. Hey, if you're ready to see more of the Rone Residences, send me a text. Just use the number below. We work closely with the Rone, and we kind of help them. We're a free service, but we will work 24/7. You can always reach us quickly with the text of the number below. That's actually my number. You can reach us, and we'll set up that tour that you need at the Rone. Can't wait to hear from you. Now we're going to go look at a couple of other features here. Can't wait to show them off to you right now.